This might be the easiest lobby ever, shotgun and SMG slicing through the lobby. No resistance detected, sweeping through the map effortlessly. Enemies exposed, zero chance to fight back.
Wow. There's a dude top window. It's clear. What? I just killed this dude out of the sky with my shotgun. That's amazing.
Yeah, I know. I've seen that.
Possible flip.
There's something from the office in their spawn.
What? How?
Someone took that down.
I just put my stand out.
Thank you. What do you guys do about to finish? Oh. Got him.
Give me that triple. Thank you.
I'm gonna put one there next time. I ain't never seen them put one there.
Thanks for watching. Drop a comment, like and follow or subscribe for more ATW's content. Want to level up or set up a 6 versus 6 battle? Join our Discord for loadouts, strategy and elite matchups.